Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to introduce you my LLM 2 pattern implementation assignment. First, let's look at my code structure. The source folder defines the core component, which are two and two agent module. The tests folder consists of some test case, include test error handling, two call and two creation. And I also define three examples, which are API interaction, data processing, and external service to test the two agent ability. First, let's look at two agent module. It defines a system prompt, and it defines a two agent class, which represents an agent that can interact with a LLM and use tools to assist with user queries. Add to signature, collects function signature, process two calls, each two call, validates argument, execute tools and collect results. Run method handles the full process of interacting with the LLM and executing tool based on user input. The two module. First is the get function signature method. It basically generates a signature for a given function. A validate argument. A validates cover argument input dictionary to match accepted types. And the tool class. It is a class representing a tool that wraps a callable and its signature. And the tool function is a decorator that wraps a function into a tool object and adds a tool definition attribute. Here are some utilities, completions, and it sends query to client, and it built prompt structure, it updates chat history, and extraction module. It extract tag content. And okay, so that's the source folder. So let's first see some examples. First is API interaction example. So basically it search Hacker News articles by keyword and save the result to a file. Let's run. Let's try to run this API. Interaction. You can see it use tool search news, and it find top 5 result about Python. We can also see here for the formatted result. Next is data processing. So data processing basically clean and pre-process a data set. So here I just simply define a simple data sound entry and run the cleaning result. But the prompt is clean the data set and keep data value columns. So let's try to run it. Let's see the formatted articles. So it successfully removed the category columns, get clean dataset. Like this external service. So I choose, I define a tool that get trending GitHub repos and get top contributors for a specific repository. And so basically so basically it is a tool that helps you to find a trending repository about a certain topic. In this case, I try to let it fetching trending Python repository. So let's run it. So you can see it finds some trending Python repositories on GitHub. So AlphaFold, inference pipeline, and some other useful GitHub repo. It also provides a link and the stars. Yeah, there are some trending Python repository from last week. Okay, that's the examples. Now let us try show the tests. Basically, I define 3 tests. First is test 2 calls. That is test. Well, I define a add function and let the agent run add 5 and 3 to test whether it can get the correct answer. And test 2 creation to test the toDecorator, whether the toDecorator add toDefinition attribute to the function. And the error handling test is, for example, this function is should pass xy and the return value as int. So if I try to pass two floating point number, it should inform error. So let's test them. Sorry, maybe I forgot to clean the history. I think the 2 results is a sum of 5. 5 and 3 is 8. Next, let's try to test tool creation. Just simply verify the toDecorator if the toDecorator adds toDefinition attribute. As you can see, pass the test. Test arrow living. So it pass arrow to handling. One try to pass to invalid variables, 2 floating points to to an int function. So it shows the error message. Okay, that's all for this. So for this assignment, thank you for watching.